We're starting a new project today. It's gonna be 16 panels, one Tesla Powerwall. I'm always recommending to walk through the roof and pick up all nails, because if you step on these nails, it's gonna go into the shingle and will damage the shingle. On this roof we have a lot of nails. We are using Iron Ridge Flash Foot 2 mounts and the XR10 rails. Array is going to be subdivided to two strings. One is going to be 6 panels and another one is going to be 10 panels. And the reason is because on the left side we have some shading in the winter from trees. So array is going to be less affected to this. And here's some intermediate process. Right now it's about 2-3 p.m. and we start at about 9 a.m. Here's the electrical. We have one AC disconnect, one power wall, and the power wall is going to be attached to the wall but rest on the ground. And we have to do 30-inch spacing between ground and top bolt on the power wall. And with the Tesla dolly, it's really easy to install. And here's a finished project. It took about 4 months because we did install solar panels in 2024, and because of Tesla Powerwall shortage, we finished this project in March. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.